It is time you learn how to do your eyeshadow, and I am here to teach you how to achieve this simple eye look. It's perfect for any outfit you wear or any occasion. Start by prepping your eyelids with a little bit of concealer. This will even out the skin tone there and to create a base for the eyeshadow to stick to. And then you gently blend it out. Set the concealer with a setting powder so that your eyeshadow blend more effortlessly. Get a neutral eyeshadow palette that has a mixture of light to dark shades and some shimmers too. When holding your eyeshadow brush, do not hold it too close like a pen. Instead, make sure your hand is further back. This will give you less pressure, better movement and a softer blend. Start off with a medium brown shade with a fluffy blending brush. Tap off the excess and sweep that back and forth in the crease. And if you don't know where your crease is right under your brow bone. Now gently blend in little circles upwards onto your brow bone. Take a darker brown shade with a small fluffy round blending brush. Stamp this on the outer corner of your eye and then you softly blend it into your crease and bring it in. To pick up the shimmer shade, use a flat eye shading brush. Spray your brush with some setting spray. This will make your shimmery eyeshadow super pigmented and gives it more staying power. Use any shimmer shade you want and add this to the center of your eye and bring it into the inner corner. Take just a little bit of the light or dark brown shade. Slightly tap in between the shimmer and the dark shade to diffuse that line of demarcation. Take the dark brown shade with a pencil brush and then you smoke that along your lower lash line. Use your setting powder to clean up the edge of the eyeshadow. Put on some mascara and that's it, you are done. As a beginner, I recommend doing your eyeshadow first before your base makeup, so if there's any fallout from the eyeshadow, you can easily wipe it off. Let me know what you think and I would love to see you try it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and follow for more beginner makeup. Bye!